abeg no just dey look my dance so make you show concern inside the good news wey I dey always dish out for you from the goodness inside my heart as per madam good news and madam goodness wey I be. You see this good news wey I dey give you all the time, you no go just dey lis ten to am, you must partake inside, because for here Mercy Divine Properties Limited wey we dey, we no just dey sell you lands and properties and estates, we dey sell you grace, we dey sell you miracle. You need to come partake in the grace and miracle and testify in this land of New Banana Highland. I know say if you buy even 1 or 2 or 3 plots, you will never forget madam good news. Even for your grandchildren, you go tell them say na one woman video wey I see every day, madam peck up and down, I just say make her buy. Your parents and grandparents buy land keep for you. Today you dey enjoy am. You must buy keep for your own children and grandchildren, so that they go thank you and they go bless you tomorrow. No be so. That's why you need to call Madam Peco Africa on 090-34296519. You know why you're supposed to call me? Because I get very wonderful and beautiful deals for you. What are the deals? One of them is saying you go buy our plots inside layout. You go build any house where you like. Now 7 million naira. Another one be saying if you want service estates, we already get prototype. We get swimming pool, we get shopping mall, and all these goodies inside. It's 12 million naira for one plot. And then if you want the one wey dey for this Buga people, you understand? the lacri, you understand how they call it? If you want to stay for that kind of bonge place, for inside Woji, I get already first for you. That one at 30 million naira. Because everybody get their own different taste. I get one specific client who tell me say, Madam Peco Africa, I need a plot specifically in Woji that has C of O and it's already first. The moment I call her for this deal, he carry 3 plots. How much is it? Now small money for some people, not my people where they tell you say money no dey Nigeria. Anybody will tell you say money no dey Nigeria, fast slap her. Money day, because people are building houses every day, people are buying lands every day, people are making money every day, people are buying cars every day. So all you need to tell yourself is say that money must come to you so that you testify. So until you meet, call me. And this New Banana Highland is located just off Odili Road in Port-Harcourt here, River State, Nigeria. Anyway, you hear me from Malaysia, USA, Australia, Canada, even Ghana here. All that money where they make, maybe your father house that will send and come here, we go buy land keep for you. You understand? So that tomorrow you will not say you get investment. So Madam Peco Africa the way for you. You know I say we get payment plan in case you don't want to pay finish. For me, I dey like my clients with them pay sharp. Instant payments, so that you know say you know the whole credit. You understand me? But any category we quickly call me. Are they here to wait for you? You know how we dey run am. Come so that we go run am together. Make I tell you the number again. 090-34296519. I dey wait for you, and you know say I love you. You understand?